Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to BazAI. Today I'm exploring the future of AI agent, autonomous systems, next generation LLM architecture. Today I'm talking something huge in RAG world, PageIndex, a vectorless reasoning based RAG systems. We know that what is the issues with traditional RAG. Honestly, the PageIndex, the vectorless based RAG system completely gonna change how AI enterprise retrieval gonna works. Let's understand the true problem, the real problem with traditional RAG. Most RAG systems today works like split the documents into chunks, convert them to embeddings, store them into expensive vector base, and then they retrieve the similar chunks whenever you write the query. It sounds smart, but the major problems we are facing it in terms of financial, legal documents, research papers, traditional manual, where technical stuff, the NIRAG of vector search with vector DP, it's failing. It's not gonna gives you the accurate answers because the chunks creates another issues. It's gonna break you multiple things, and the embedding layer with the semantic searching capabilities. When you're writing a query by the agent forgetting what actually the relevant information from the document, and that's where PageIndex comes and it solves this problem. PageIndex, it doesn't require vectors and chunking. It's built a tree-like document index, which knows where you kept the information. It's generated a table of content. So you can imagine PageIndex is storing your books in a shelf, organize them, and will have the table. Like you keep the history side of the books into one track, one table, and then AI reason through like a human. So when you ask something in a financial stuff, the model thinks and understand the entire finance summary appendix of that because it's created as a table as an appendix when you write a book, and then it's going to reason based on that. So the retrieval is more human like. The page index is follows a loop methodology which read the document, structure the document, extract the relevant information, have a proper selection, decide what context is enough to share it, and then continually to explore it's needed. So which is makes most powerful in a RAG system, which is massive because when it goes to the enterprise, we are not building a chatbot, we're building a AI agents. It's not behaving like a humans. Humans is more like go write a query and then they come back because they know if something fails, they have that knowledge, the institutional knowledge, the query is gonna be fail. But AI agent might not ever because if you do a traditional traditional RAG chunking base, it's forget the major ones. That's where page index solves this problem, which has its references, appendix, table, and nested sessions with multiple reasoning paths, and then it solves the problem to give you the accurate answers. According to the page index team, the reasoning based system achieved 98.7 accuracy in finance bench. That is extremely impressive for financial documents because bigger industry, the AI is moving from similarity based retrieval to a reasoning driven retrieval. So what we think, what's not in the data, what is around the data. So from data gravity, we move the context data gravity. That's where the page index is gonna comes into the massive way when you're building your enterprise RAG models. Where is the knowledge exist? What does actually it's gonna do it? And I'm going to walk you through how it's going to works in a real time. Okay, so here in a page index, I uploaded a document of NVIDIA Nematron Omni report. So what it actually does, it's first it's get the document structure, divide into the content. It like a appendix with the table, what information it read it, what key content it has every session, then followed by the page content. So it's going to pinpoint the page content of all those pages. Then the results are very amazing to me. Then it's going to give me the reference. What is Nematron 3 of Omni, which understand four multimodal at once text, image, video, and audio, makes it omni-modal. It is built for real-world tasks like long documents, understanding video and audio. It's amazed me. The reason why I'm saying it, like it's understand each page of the document of the PDF, understand how to segment that into the architecture, how it's built, encoder and decoder based architecture with reasoning capabilities, engine of mixture of experts gonna be in that with vision and image resolution capabilities. And then it talks about the training, the two big phases for the one, and phase one for supervised fine tuning, 7 stages within that. And phase two is reinforcement learning, 5 rounds of doing it with text, image, and omni reinforcement learning. And then it talks about the efficiency and bottom line. It talks about how it's built into the open, into the all at once, into the image and video, how it's trained actually across the multimodality similarly. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe to BazAI. Will reason based RAG is going to replace the vector database? My answer is yes, because reasoning based RAG is the future for enterprise AIs. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.